Think you need years of experience to make money online? Not anymore. In 2025, AI side hustles are opening doors for complete beginners to earn anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month. Without coding, without fancy equipment, and without complicated skills. Watch till the end, because I'm going to reveal the best AI tools and strategies to build a profitable online income stream. Perfect for anyone in the USA, UK, or anywhere in the world. Welcome to AI Money Empire, your guide to building passive income with AI, online business success, and financial freedom. If you're new here and want to escape the 9-to-5 grind or create extra income online, hit the subscribe button now. Today we'll explore the best AI side hustles for beginners. No experience needed. These can help you start earning online right away. Content creation is one of the highest paying online opportunities today. You can write blogs, social media content, ebooks, marketing copy, and YouTube scripts with AI assistance. Tools: ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Copy.ai. Earnings: $2,200 per project. Example: freelancers on Fiverr charge $150 for AI-generated articles and 100+ers for full website copy. Pro tip: focus on high-demand niches like finance, health, and tech. They pay better and attract clients from the USA and UK. Voiceover work no longer requires expensive studios or advanced skills. AI can create studio-quality audio in minutes. Tools: Murph AI, 11 Labs, Play, HT. Earnings: $3,500 per project. Market: YouTubers, podcasters, online courses, audiobooks. Pro tip: offer multiple voice styles or languages to attract international clients and increase your rates. Small businesses and personal brands are desperate for consistent content, and you can provide it using AI automation. Tools: Canva AI, Buffer, Hootsuite, Lumen 5. Earnings: $100-600 per client, per month. Market: restaurants, e-commerce stores, coaches, consultants. Pro tip: bundle services like captions, graphics, and post scheduling to increase your monthly retainer income. Branding is crucial for any business. AI now lets you create professional designs quickly. Tools: Looka, Logo.ai, Canva. AI earnings: $3,200 per logo, $99-299 for complete brand kits. Example: freelancers on Upwork sell AI logos, plus social media kits for $150-250 easily. Pro tip: target new businesses on LinkedIn. They always need branding. YouTube automation is one of the best AI side hustles right now. Create faceless channels using AI tools and earn from ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Tools: Pictory, InVideo, Synthesia, ChatGPT. Earnings: $500-2,000 per month per channel. Niches: tech reviews, AI tutorials, finance tips, very high CPM for USA and UK. Pro tip: keep videos 8-10 minutes long. Perfect for multiple ad placements and better watch time. So far, which AI side hustle excites you the most? Comment below. I'd love to know what you're planning to try first. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button. It helps this channel and tells YouTube to share this content with more people like you. Businesses spend thousands on customer support. You can build AI chatbots for them. Tools: TDO, ManyChat, ChatFuel. Earnings: $100-700 per chatbot. Market: online stores, service providers, coaches. Pro tip: offer chatbot setup, plus 1 month of support to charge higher. Many entrepreneurs and students need pitch decks and presentations, but don't know how to design them. AI makes it easy. Tools: Beautiful.ai, Tome, Canva. Magic earnings: $50-300 per deck. Market: startups, students, freelancers pitching clients. Pro tip: add data visualization using AI charts. You can charge more. So there you have it. The best AI side hustles for beginners that you can start in 2025 with absolutely no prior experience. These AI-powered jobs, from content creation to YouTube automation, are helping people in the USA, UK, and worldwide earn $500 to $2,000 a month or even more. Start small, pick one hustle, and focus. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next big AI money idea. In my next video, I'll show you how to find clients fast for these AI services and scale your online income. This is AI Money Empire, helping you turn artificial intelligence into real income.